Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to public Gamepass on Roblox. First, navigate to the Roblox website and log into your account. From there, access the Create section to begin the process. This is where all your development tools and game management options are located. You'll need to select the specific experience for which you want to create a game pass. This ensures the pass is correctly associated with your game. Once in the Create section, find your game and click on it. Then, look for the Associated Items tab on the left-hand menu and select Game Passes. Click the Create a Pass button. You'll need to upload an appealing image, give your game pass a memorable name, and write a concise description. This information helps players understand what they are purchasing. After creating the pass, click on it to configure its settings. Navigate to the Sales tab. Here, you must toggle Item for Sale to the On position. This makes your game pass available for purchase. Next, enter the desired price in Robux. Remember that Roblox takes a percentage, so consider this when setting your price. Save your changes to apply them. With the game pass created and priced, it is now public and ready for players to purchase. Always double-check your game's page to confirm the game pass appears correctly. Consider promoting your new game pass through in-game announcements or social media to reach a wider audience. Effective promotion can significantly boost your sales. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping hydrated is important for long gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.